In this class, I want you to look at bitwise left shift. Bitwise, talking about bit, that is binary, left, then shift. Now, look at this. This is a box. In this box, you always save your binary numbers. And currently, these are the numbers you have. 1 0 1 1 0. Now, if you want to shift this leftwards, what are you going to use to shift them? It means if you use 0 to push this guy. Assume before now, x is equals to 1 0 1 1 0. That is this value here. If you say s left shift 1, that is, you want to shift this by 1. It means push them inside, let them give space to 0. Extra 0 will push them, because before now, this was the last 0 at this edge. Another 0 now push these guys, and these guys now accommodated extra 0. So when you convert this to decimal, it will be the left shift of this guy. That is just by one step. What if it was s left shift put 2 here? That is, push them leftward by what? 2 0. That is, originally you have this. That is this. Now by 2, now it means 0 0. Okay? That is that. Look at it. Left shift. We have 5. 5 in the decimal. This is what? The binary of 5. You convert 5 now, you're going to have this. Now, what we want to do now, I want to left shift this guy. If you left shift this guy now, after the left shift, you are introducing one on this side, because you push these guys to the left. You push this original value to the left to have this extra 0. If you convert everything here now to decimal, you're going to have 10. So that is what? You are shifting 5 by one step. Is what? Is 10. This other one, 55. This is the binary equivalence of 55. If you push this guy to the left, after the pushing, you are pushing with extra 0. As you can see, this one is, they are all in place. All of them are all in place. That is this, and this. You are putting extra 0 to push them leftwards. If you convert this to decimal, you're going to have 110. This is not 110. This is not binary. This is decimal now to the base of 10. So the left shift of 55 just by one step is what? Is 110. Hope this is understood. Thank you for viewing.